How to allow or don't allow apps to request to track on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now from the Settings page, we then scroll down and then tap on Screen Time. After that, go down, then tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. From here, we go down to the Privacy section and scroll down. Now in here, tap on Allow Apps to request to track. And from the list here, you can choose Allow Changes or Don't Allow Changes. So select one of the available options. Now when you are making a change, you need to enter in the screen time passcode. So when it asks you, do so. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.